Let's just cut this sucker. I don't know if you can see it, see my grinder, but it's slightly on an angle. That way, not this way, that way. So that's the front edge, the leading edge. Always have that edge up before you get there, otherwise it'll chip. Right, cut all the way through. And you're good to go, folks. I turn the camera off as I'm going through the house. I respect their privacy. I don't have to be showing the world the inside of someone's house. I always let people know. I always ask people, do they mind if I film what I'm doing in their bathroom? And they say no, go ahead. And I always say I won't show anything else out there, you know, and they say, oh, it's fine, Chriso, it's all good. But it's just respecting someone else's privacy. So let's pop it up. Let's see. Okay, that's good. Bang it up, Chriso. That's all there is to it, folks. Ooh, I like it a lot. Clip it up and you're good to go. I'll be going around here next. What I do when I do around the top is I always use a marker, but you can use a tape if you want to. Allow a little bit for your clip and a little bit for come and go. So you got 1.5 mil, allow 1.5 mil for a joint, so you always go 3 mil. See, that's 2 mil there, so it needs to go up a little tittle, so I'll mark it accordingly. I'll come back to that when I go around the top. I'll go up there. And then I'll zap this wall. I've got a few holes to drill here, but they're nothing. They're all the to hang the wall hung vanity. PowerPoint, obviously. I don't know why they didn't have it over here. Why there, I don't know. But anyway, it's going to be a cabinet is going on the wall. He said to me, what do you do? Do you go around the cabinet? And I said, no, I tile the whole thing. Take a photo of where your studs are, where your timber is. Take a photo with a tape measure, and then I tile it. You come along, whooshka. We'll see you soon. This is Chris O. Lean on in. Have a look through my other videos. You'll learn heaps, people. I've got over 2,000 videos out now, so there's heaps there to learn from. See ya!